I'm about to share 3 AI bots that are completely free to start. Links are in the description. That will help you generate $70,000 in passive income online. Passive affiliate commissions. If the number seems too big for you, don't worry about it, because these are the 2 control points that basically controls your income. So if you can control these 2 control points, then you will be able to control the amount of money you make. So it can be less, it can be more, it's in your control. And this system is completely free, beginner friendly, and it can be done from anywhere on the planet, from any age, any experience. Even complete beginners can do it. You don't need your own website, no need email list, no need social media following, and you can start right now. Sounds good? Let's begin. But hey, if you are impressed with the first AI bot I'm going to share with you, give me a like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media walls like Facebook and Twitter, so the world knows about it. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will become your first customers and clients. So go ahead, like and share. You're going to be amazed. The first one is an AI writer. Why writer? Because everything online is written content. Even this video has a script behind it, which is a written content. And writing content is a problem. It's boring, it's hard work, and it's expensive if you outsource it. So I'm going to use this AI software, and just one click, I will generate a high quality content. It's free to start, link is in the description. Best website builder. Now in my other videos, I have shown just one click the article will be generated, but in this video I want to take one more step so I can control the quality and the content of the article. So this is not about the best website builder how to, this is basically more about numbers. So I will click generate title and give me some options, and you can see all by itself it gave me 3 choices. I can add more choices by just clicking this button, or I will choose any of the results. So I think the best website builder for beginners will work for this example, and I will click generate outline. Now the AI is working again. It literally takes seconds. And now I think I have a huge content outline in front of me that in one click, just click finish and see what happens. The 1094 words article, highly informative, educational, and helpful article is generated in a matter of seconds. I'm gonna just copy it. By the way, this app is free to start, link is in the description. And I will go to Epic. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. But I'm not going there because that detailed video and the demo will be at the end of this video, so stay tuned. And also links are in the description for all details. I just want to go straight to the money. But before that, here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic, and why Epic is completely beginner friendly. Because there is a text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click. So we don't need to record ourselves. And because we make our videos in small sections, and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. Alright, Epic is free, link is in the description, or you can just browse epic.ai, but don't go there right now. Let's make some money first. The reason I'm showing you that I'm gonna bring this text to Epic and make video, because with videos we can run 20+ channels without wasting time and without hard work. And also we publish these videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And this is the time I have to reveal the first control point. And the first control point for making money are the hops or the clicks on our affiliate links. What is affiliate link? It's very simple. When you create a Warrior Plus free account or JVZoo free account or Amazon or even ClickBank free account, you will be able to get a custom personalized affiliate link for every promotion. Inside your content and your videos, you embed your affiliate links and ask your viewers to click that link if they choose to buy. This is the time when we are going to talk about the second control point, but before that, we need to figure out where we get these clicks. Yes, of course, we get clicks from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, because look at this. I searched with website builder and I found 1.43 million people search for this key phrase. So if I publish a brand new video with helpful and useful content, because I have awesome content in just one click, I will get some views like 10, 100, 200 views easy peasy with a basic video. But with the quality of content, people love me, love my content, love my channel, follow my channel, and they will click on my links. Now we are about to reveal the second control point, which is very important. But before that, let's use that article directly somewhere where people are asking questions about website builder. And it's called Quora, the mighty Quora that has almost 1 billion visitors per month. They're asking questions about stuff they want to know or they have problem with. So I searched with website builder and I found all these questions. Now I'm going to answer them and I will show them that I'm a good person. I'm giving them helpful information and I have a reason behind it. The reason behind it is that I have a product of myself which is called Maven, and Maven builds websites just by copying a URL. And again, you can get access to Maven, free access, by browsing getmaven.com. Links are in the description, but we don't want to go there. I want to go to money. So I clicked on one of the questions and I found which is the best and most reliable website builder. And people are answering questions and look at this, 824 views. This one has got 308 views. You might be thinking these are not enough hops to make a lot of money, but I will come to that. And this is where we have to reveal the second control point. I'll come to that in a moment. Let me first answer this question. So in order to answer this question, I will simply click here and paste this amazing valuable content. And I will delete the introduction because I don't want it to look like an article. I just want to delete the introduction and I want to delete this conclusion. But before that, I want to add that in my opinion, I would say the easiest website builder for beginners is Maven. For beginners, if you want to avoid writing content and start getting benefits right away within 3 to 5 minutes, then I just added the link of Maven. But let's discuss more about the best website builder for beginners. And then all these awesome helpful information, I can just copy the list from here as well. And I'm going to post this and later come back if I need more or I want to edit something. I just started this brand new account. Yesterday, I posted like this and I got 235 content views completely free in just a few clicks and already made around $200 from selling my own products. Now, because I have my own products, in case you don't have, affiliate marketing is awesome for you. Now we are in need to reveal this second control point, which is dollars per hop. These dollars per hop means the amount of money generated on the average per click. In this case, it's almost $1 per hop. So here is why it's one of the most important control points. If this one increases, then you will make more money from less clicks. Now, because it's almost $1 per hop for me, I am making $1 on the average from one click. For this account, in this situation, in other accounts, I even make $5 per hop. So 1,000 clicks or hops make me $5,000. And it all depends on the quality of the content you are sharing with people. So you have AI tools. TextUp, free to start, link is in the description. You have Epic, free to start, link is in the description to make videos. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side, you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another side. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. And you have Maven, free to start, link is in the description. Let us make an awesome Magic Mouse article using our software Maven. First, click the add blog button, copy the URL address or the link of the content we want to hijack from, paste it here, click create button, and the whole content is loaded. Boom. Add a blog title. Let's first change the blog image. Click upload and select one of the images we have in our hard drive, and the image is changed. Let's format the text to match our taste a little bit, make it bold. Select this text and make it italic to look nicer. Let's put this part of the text in the center. I'm just showing you what's possible to do with Maven. Now select this text and add a link. Let's consider this is our affiliate link, just for an example. Select this URL or the link and paste it right here and make it open a new window. Just one click and the link is added. This is the link that will make us money. Let's change this text into headline 3. Looks good. Click the save button when we are happy with the formatting. Now the full content is loaded here in the left side, but this is not our content, and that's why we are using this yellow button to use our artificial intelligence to rewrite the whole content and make it ours. And now everything you see is unique and it's ours. We can use it as our own, and you can add more elements by clicking this plus button and add elements from here. Let's add a video. Click on this button, copy the URL of this video and paste it here. Then select the place where you want to add the video, click the add button, and the video is added inside the content. Super cool, right? Let's add some more image, and this time we want to use Google CC. No, I changed my mind. Let's use Pixabay. Click Pixabay button and search with your search string. In this case, we're gonna put Apple Magic Mouse and click search. We have all these different options automatically, 100% free images, just one click and the image is added inside the content. Why not add another image to make it nicer using Google CC? Search with Apple Magic Mouse. Click the search button. All these options, all these images are 100% free to use. Click any of them, your choice, and add it. Whenever you are happy with the content, click the save button and it's saved. Now this section is completely optional, but this is good for search engine optimization. Fill in this form with relevant information. Click any of these two buttons. We want to publish right now, and it's published. It's done. To check the content, click this view button, and Here is your beautiful article created in under 3 minutes without writing a single content. You can always go back and edit as you wish. To make websites all within minutes. It's your job to control the quality of your content and deliver as best as possible for your audience. This way they will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy more from you. And then your dollars per hop will increase. So by sharing content, you're getting hops from all different platforms, including Quora, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. And by controlling the quality of content, your dollars per hop will increase and you will make more money from less clicks. That's it. Did you like my video? All the information is open for you. So you learn how to make money online, easy way, fast way, fun way. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family in order to help others, and they will love you, follow you, and buy from you. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. All the softwares we have talked about are free to start. Links are in the description. Go grab them, and we will see you in the next video.